Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to group objects in WPS Office. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that we need to go to Shapes and we need to insert one from few available shapes. For example, I select here rectangle and I draw here a simple rectangle. After that I need to add another shape, so I go to Insert tab, I go to Shapes, and for example I'm going to add maybe this one shape. I click on it and I draw it again, maybe something like that. And now if I would like to group these two shapes, I need to press and hold Shift on my keyboard and I need to select another one shape. Then both shapes will be selected. Now I need to click right mouse button here and I need to select Group. How you see these objects are grouped now. If you want, you can change position of these objects. It will be changed together. But if you would like to ungroup it, you need to click on this one icon. It will let you to ungroup these objects. And now you can select only this object or maybe only this one object. So it is how it works. If I help you to group or ungroup shapes in WPS Office, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.